Hello and welcome to How to Play Sudoku, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the game Sudoku. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then gets into some beginner strategy for how to solve a Sudoku puzzle. To play, you will need a Sudoku puzzle. The Sudoku puzzle is set up in a 9x9 grid with a total of 81 spaces. Within the 9x9 grid, there are 9 blocks. These blocks each contain 9 spaces. Each Sudoku puzzle will start with some spaces already filled in with numbers. The object of the game is to fill in each space with a number 1 through 9. The trick is that each of the 9 blocks contains each number 1 through 9, each of the 9 columns contains each number 1 through 9, and each of the 9 rows contains each number 1 through 9. A single number cannot be duplicated in a block, column, or row. A great way to start a Sudoku puzzle is to look at each specific number to see if the existing numbers in the spaces create an instance where a space only has one possible answer. Here, all the ones are located. No other one can be placed in the columns and rows that these ones are in. The lower right box needs a 1, and the existing numbers show that there is only one possible space for the 1 to go. Moving to the 2's, the lower right block again shows that there is only one possible space for a 2 to go. When this 2 is entered, it causes the upper right box to only have one possible space for a 2 to go. Once numbers start to get filled in, look for blocks, columns, or rows with only a couple of open spaces. Here, the lower right block only has 2 open spaces, and the block needs a 5 and an 8. The 5 cannot go in the right column, so it must go in the other open space. This leaves the last space open for the 8. Continue to look for any spaces that only have one possible answer. Once all the spaces are filled in with no duplicated numbers in a block, column, or row, the game is won. That wraps up How to Play Sudoku. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.